好了，现在可以回船上。那些材料的话，就是这有个制作，可以制作一个皮套，多带一把枪，然后可以升级生命，还有其他材料，鹿皮、美洲炮那些。这些动物蹦哪里有？到时候应该会跟着出现了。
Ahoy, Captain. Find what you need.
My needs and wants are oceans apart, mate. But I did fashion myself a new holster. All I need now is a pistol to lie in it.
Yeah. Taken from the holds, just as you said.
Little more than a blowpipe. But it'll do. So, are we rested? Or should we idle a while longer?
Best way anchor. I think the crew is itching to reach civilization.
You'll find no civilization in Nassau. But it's a fine place to be merry all the same.
装备手枪。
Loose main sails!
这里可以快速旅行，可是要怎么去？不能用。那手。
Captain Queernabs, tell me I'm under arrest. Tell me!
Them your breads.
Fly away, boyo! Back to your master!
Aye. We was privateers together before the wars ended. I'll see you ashore.
那海盗是谁啊？我记得这游戏的海盗都是知名海盗为原型的吗？是黑胡子吗？先去这里。
By God, you're a sight for salty eyes. Come you in and have a drink.
Morning, all.
Ahoy, Kenway. Who's this?
Adewale, the Jackdaw's quartermaster.
Jackdaw. You named your brig after a poxy bird.
Ade, these lads are the better part of our growing confederacy here. Ed Thatch, Ben Hornigold, James Kidd.
You let him carry a pistol, do you?
Peace, Ben. Ade saved my life. And now we're looking to find a crew to fill out the rest of my ship.
Well, there's scores of capable men about. But use caution. The shipload of the King's sailors showed up before night back, causing trouble and knocking about like they own the place.
Right. I'll see who I can muster.
船员。 要15个嘛。
Cheers, Ade.
还是被处决了一个。这里有一个点，等一下。那个亮亮的我就不拿了，那个好像没什么用，好像是成就这样子。所以那个宝箱是在哪里？我没看到有宝箱，算了。
This pirate bears the blood of many innocents on his hands. His Majesty's honorable representative has decreed the sentence shall be. Right here, the shot was fired. Come on, then. He's mine. A clear shot.
终于死了。
Bless your timely breeches, Kenway.
那我可以收一下尸体吗？我的子弹可以补。没有了。刷新一下，我的子弹就没有了。
Now you'll want to sail somewhere rich with plunder.
Have you heard of a place called the Observatory?
Aye. It's an old legend, like El Dorado or the Fountain of Youth.
What have you heard?
It's meant to be a temple or a tomb, hiding a treasure of some kind.
That's it. See here.
Oh, rot. It's fairy stories you prefer to gold, is it?
It's worth more than gold, Thatch. 10,000 times above what we could pull off any Spanish ship.
Robbing the king to pay his porpoise is how we earn our keep here, lad. It ain't a fortune. It's a fantasy.
等一下，这里有一个。
That's Drake Captain Kenway! Shit!
他一直卡在那里。等一下，这里。
Morning, Kenway.
Not a bad-looking tinderbox you got there.
You sound a bit green, Hornigold. Is it envy? Because mine's bigger than yours.
No, I reckon it's this Jamaican funk. I prefer the Spanish stuff. So, you've got yourself a fancy brig now. Fine. Well, I'm gonna teach you how to sail right. And how to take a prize the proper way. Thatch, we'll catch you up at the old fishing village.
Aye.
所以现在又是什么教学时间？
Where's your helmsman, Kenway?
I take
一
pride in
望远
piloting
镜。
my own ships, Ben. Keeps me alert.
Let's make some headway, shall we?
I've no need for schooling. How many prizes did we take together as privateers? There's a prize worth taking.
Good. Take us in close. After you subdue a prize, project authority.
应该没有目标的吧，对吧？让我自己去找。
Respect that you would never give yourself. This weaves a spell over soft minds. For your victims must always have in the back of their minds the uneasy idea that you could snap at any moment and unseam them from prick to sternum. And land a few strikes if you must, but for God's sake, don't sink. It's no fun fishing cargo out of the sea.
坏掉按，哦，可以登船。
Although it can be done. She's disabled now and taking on a decent amount of water. So keep your cannons quiet. Take care not to sink her. Ease in close. We'll ready the grapnels.
使用。才3炮就没有了。
Que tengo un buen dia, senor. I am Captain Hornigold, and this is my crew. We're sailors like yourselves, but quite unalike in our purpose. For we intend to take all that you own. Yet no harm shall befall any man so long as he remains at ease. Is that clear?
No me mate, señor. Tengo familia. Se lo suplico.
Anyone speak English? English?
Little bit.
Tell your friends we're stealing your goods, and we won't hurt nobody if everyone stays as still as a sandbar. You got that?
Please to repeat.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Lock him in the hold, and take everything that isn't nailed down.
所以
Materials required.
还需要继续抢。
Get used to it. We'll need to take a few more prizes to make this a profitable day.
Not one of the swabs that's put it on deck.
好简单哦，还是说因为船等级太低，所以才会这样？
Good take today, Kenway. Half a dozen scores of that size and you'll be set for a year.
要去这里，先等一下啦。
Sell this cargo and fix up your jackdaw with a few more trinkets.
Sod it, yeah? I'm looking for a prize that'll set me up for life.
这有一个鲨鱼，这鲨鱼可以干嘛？
King of the West Indies, then?
We came to Nassau to get away from...
Let's hunt, lads.
所以真的可以捕鱼哦。
There he is!
Off we go! Good hit, Captain! Got him! Good hit, Captain!
Grand shot! He's gotten free!
He's coming.
Headed at us! Larboard bow!
The rope is holding! Hang on, we're off! That is the almost done for!
Look at the size of him!
Well done, Captain.
牛皮沙骨头，等一下我记得做头巾、鳄鱼、鹿。 好，那继续吧。要去买船身，应该是升级船的意思吧。
Top hat! Hold down and crew up! Hold hearty, lads! Furl those men!
它会自动帮我停啊。
¿Necesita ayuda, caballero?
购买升级。
bad take today. Keep this up and Nassau will be the first city where men and women may live as God made them. Easy and free. All it takes is a few drops of blood, sweat, and a swatch of cloth.
We fly no colors out here, but praise the lack of them. So let the black flag signal nothing but your allegiance to man's natural freedoms. This one's yours. Fly it proud.
I will.
A hand over the docket I lent you. If we're to keep our republic afloat, we'll need guns as well as gold.
That means attacking the Navy.
So long as they're flying King Philip's colors will not offend our own monarch. As you've likely seen, the number of merchants roving these waters is 70 the number of military ships.
要去抢货物吗？先等一下了。
That was a rumble, by God. How do we fare?
Fine purchase, no mistake. Now I think it's time to lay low and bribe our way back into secrecy.
Agreed. So, how do we get rid of this notoriety we've stirred up?
Money, my boy. A well-placed bribe to the right government official. See the military off your tail.
Right, let's do that. I'll need to meet these good Samaritans at some point.
Smart thinking.
所以花钱汇入可以降低悬赏。左上角我现在有一个红叉，所以它现在没有自动帮我停船了，还要我自己游。
Seems you could use a little help
200 块
disappearing, friend.
购买侧旋炮。等下啦，
Care to lose the look?
船长是。 应该是这个、啊，购买，外观，哦，然后升级侧旋炮吗？主线可以解开，所以我现在主线还没到可以升这些的时候。 好吧。
You're a wonder, Kenway. You've a knack for this kind of work.
It ain't work if you love it.
It's hard.
But I ain't doing this forever, lads. Only until I get enough coin to buy some land and influence back home.
Jesus, will you listen to your tripe? Still dreaming on about that strumpet back in England when you could have any better you wanted here and now.
Ah, such lofty goals for you gents. And here I thought I was in the company of scoundrels. Fine purchase today. What's the crew's mood?
All smiles and no teeth. And there's a few talking about meeting with Master Kid to steal from a nearby plantation.
Plantation? That's ambitious.
Profitable too, if we can manage it.
Aye. It's a good idea.
先等一下，这里。
¿Necesita ayuda, caballero?
我的材料不够，迫击炮买一下啦。积云，货物保存直接升到最高了。就是说，中弹等于近距离的炮弹会伤害高一点。
Que los vientos le sean propicios, señor. ¿Necesita algo?
等一下，等一下，我还能升什么吗？火药桶，火药桶应该没什么用吧？这样应该也好了。好，那我现在真的没钱了。
Creo que ha sido un buen trato. Hasta otra.
今天先到这啦。